If you work in the learning and development industry, you have come across H5P a couple of times. In this video, I will show you 7 tips to make the best out of H5P. First, define clear learning objectives and choose H5P content types that align with them. Number 2, use multimedia elements such as images, videos, and audio to make content engaging. Number 3, use interactive elements such as quizzes to enhance user engagement and assess learning. Number 4, customize content with your own branding, images, and colors. Number 5, collaborate with others by sharing content and using the H5P community library. Number 6, test your content on various devices to ensure compatibility. Finally, continuously evaluate and improve content based on user feedback. If you like this content and this video, please subscribe.